In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Ubersuggest for keyword research, an essential tool for anyone looking to optimize their online presence with precision and expertise. Starting off, head over to your preferred web browser and type in the URL neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. This will take you to the main page of Ubersuggest, an intuitive platform designed to help you find unique keyword opportunities and strategize your SEO plan effectively. Once on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Sign In, or sometimes Log In, depending on your geographic location or site's update status. Clicking on this option is your gateway to entering the wealth of information that Ubersuggest offers. Now let's focus on signing in. You're presented with a few options here, providing flexibility depending on your existing digital ecosystem. The fastest way, especially if you're already deeply integrated with Google services, is by using your Google account. It's quick, secure, and saves you the trouble of remembering yet another password. For those who already have an account with Ubersuggest, you can enter your email and password directly to log in. If it's your first time and you're new to the platform, there's a convenient sign up button available. This will guide you through creating a new account, setting up your preferred login credentials, and getting started in just a few minutes. Once you've successfully signed in or completed your registration, you'll find yourself in the Ubersuggest dashboard. This is your personalized hub built to streamline your keyword research process. The dashboard is more than just a landing page. It's where you can strategically add your website or any project you're working on. From here, you gain the ability to track keywords, a function that lets you stay on top of your SEO game systematically. You can also perform site audits, a crucial step for uncovering any potential trouble spots within your site that might be affecting its performance on search engines. Moreover, the dashboard is your starting point for researching fresh keywords. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to explore trending keywords, understand their ranking potential, and craft strategies that can drive organic traffic to your site. The interface is designed with user-friendliness in mind, making it easier to maneuver through complex data points even if you're a beginner. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you have signed in to Ubersuggest, ready to harness its capabilities for elevating your keyword research to the next level. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on how to maximize this powerful tool for your SEO strategy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching and happy researching.